All right, so how we keep the cryptocurrency safe? Well, what you need to do is make sure you have a cold wallet. And today I present you a pretty cool cold wallet, and not it's just cool, it's one of the most secure wallets, and it's the SecuX V20. Now, Menina, what kind of coins this one supports today?
In the SecuX, you can save Bitcoin, Tron, Cardano, Doge, and much more.
Yeah, and very important, right? It's military grade. Now, this one supports Bluetooth and as well USB to connect right into your computer. Now, it comes with a real cool 2.8 screen, right? Touchable screen. In this video today, I'm going to show you the whole configuration and how you secure your cryptocurrency right on this wallet. How we doing, everyone? MEDIABOXENT is here, and my name is Dario. So today in this video we're going to go over the whole installation, right? How you get the thing going, how we're going to connect to the computer with the Bluetooth as well too. I'm going to give you a few tips, so we're going to know all those things in this real cool video to secure your cryptocurrency starting today. All right, so let's go into the installation. But first, I want to give you a great news. There is a 15% off if you use MEDIABOXENT code. And the code is MEDIABOXENT. I will leave you the link right below this video, guys. Click right there and start securing your crypto right now by grabbing, the 15% off right now by using the code MEDIABOXENT. All the details will be right below this video. All right, so let's go into the installation real fast, but I want to show you there's a real cool wallet. I love the design. And by the way, power it on from here, press on it, and automatically it's going to show you what you have there, all right? So now, it requires 2 hours to get charged, so make sure you charge it full. Next thing, here there is a seal here. All right, make sure that seal is not damaged or void. So you see it. If it says void, please, contact the manufacturer or return it because somebody did something to this. So make sure it's blue tape here. It's a special blue tape with the name of the company, right? In any other way, I will not use it at all. Very important. So the next thing, we're going to go and jump into the configuration real fast. All right, so we turn it on. Now, the coolest screen, this is a 2.8 inch screen, touch screen. So we get the welcome. So welcome to choose SecuX. All right, and it's pretty simple. At that point, click Start. We got to set the pin. So let's set up the pin for now. And then we go Next once again. All right, now let's put the name on it. So let's call it BTC right there. Let's click Next. And now there is 2 things we can do. All right, so you can transfer from another wallet, either 12, 18, or 24. Okay, so you can transfer right over here, remember. All right, in this case, we're going to do a brand new wallet. We click Next, and the CS24. So the next thing you got to do, it does comes with the information here. Make sure you write it right over here on a piece of paper. Okay. You write over here, and that you put in a secure place. Please read the indication of the quick guide here, because in the quick guide will tell you, make sure you are off the network, no cameras, nothing that actually records you. Do not take pictures. Do not hammer. Do not do that in a public place, because it's a cold wallet, and a cold wallet, yes, requires to write on a piece of paper. So do not take any photos. So at this point, we're going to click Continue. And again, you're going to have to write that 24 right on a piece of paper right now. Yes. All right, so we did put the 24 pretty fast. We went there. All right, so after you turn the 1-4, that's what you get. It only takes a few seconds. And we click Next. And we're done. At this point, you can scan it right with your phone. All right, the way we're going to connect, there's 2 ways to connect this. We can connect it right with the Bluetooth, your computer, or if you want, just with the USB type A to C, they already include with the package. We can check right over here a few things here. We click that there, and at this point we can change the pin if we want. We can change the name. All right, we can change the name. We call it BTC. You can call it something else. In hidden wallet, we can create a second wallet that's going to be hidden. You have to type a different code and activate that one out. Reset, so we can clean everything out and we start a brand new. You can do that as long as you have your C saved there, and you can go back and do that. We can lock it 50 minutes, 30 minutes, or 45 minutes. And the Bluetooth, when we got connected, Bluetooth is on, so you got to click it on or off to connect to the next device. Up to this point, it's already set up. So let's go now and move to the next stage. Okay, so let's click again. Okay, so we are connected Bluetooth. So there's two ways to connect it right now. We can go to via USB or Bluetooth. I'm just going to go to USB. All right, and right over here is going to show that. I remember I call it BTC. Right in the top, we can see right there. Pretty simple. You see how fast this thing is. We're in. At this point, you can see the cryptocurrency that is compatible with this unit, what you can install here. Now, remember, and we're going to go to Ethereum for 1 second. We're going to add Ethereum. We can call it whatever we want. My Ethereum, or we call it ETH. Okay. And now at this point, we're going to click refresh. And we see we got zeroed out. I'm going to go to and exit from here. And now we see the Ethereum right there and there. Now, I'm going to click right over here. My balance is 0. Now, ERC20, it's going to show you right over here at the bottom. Or if you see here, okay? In address of the token, whatever token you have, whatever it is, right? And then here you see the total Ethereums. Now, for Tron wise, let's click Tron. Let's say, and you know, TRX. Refresh. There's Tron right there now. Well, let's click on it. And this will allow you to put TRC10 or TRC20 tokens. They are, I think, 250s. And if we look in Ethereum, we have over 1,000. So we have these main ones plus, 1,000 tokens. And another, I think, it's 250 in this case for Tron. Now also we have a Binance and Cardano. Now you got a Stellar. Remember, if you're Stellar, is a minimum balance requirement, and also it's Ripple too. Okay, the Ripple's 20. And then you see all this. Okay, so you got plenty of coins now. And then from here we can send and receive. Pretty simple. If we're going to receive Tron in this case, we click Tron, and that's the address. That's the address that we get for receive. All right, so remember to receive, you don't need to really have this with you. Anyway, they show you right over here and compare each other. If that's fine, you put yes, that's your address. Then you copy, paste it somewhere else, and you can be receiving any either tokens or actually Trons. Okay, and you don't need to be connected to this unit. You only need to connect the unit if you need to be transfer in the information, or if you want to update whatever balance is here. All right, we got that. And if we go back to the Ethereum will be exactly the same thing. If you receive any token, it will show right over here. Now remember, to send, you need to connect these devices to be able to allow. To receive, you don't need to have this here, okay? As long as you get there, the balance, eventually you connect it and you refresh it, and you will see the balance right on this unit and the balance right over there, okay? That's very important. Now, for ADA, we need to go and click another, by the way. Another will allow you to stack. So we go to the portal. So it's going to open a portal another right now. We're going to click that way. It takes a little longer, this thing. It's a little bit, not much. Maybe about 30 seconds. And we are in. Okay. At this point, you can stack the ADAs. Remember, if you stack the ADA, there's a fee at 340 ADAs, and you got a tax at 3%. But you still get an annual return about yield is about 5%. It depends what you want to delegate, okay? Whatever you choose to delegate, there's many pools you got to look onto that. But you can stack that if you want. And that's pretty simple. There is no other website you need to go. You need to go to other lights, or you need to do none of those things. You're going to go back and return back again. And we are back and into the main unit. And right there, okay? And what I'm going to show you next, I'm going to go and transfer a little bit Dogecoin. I'm going to do that back and forth. You guys can see that. Pretty simple if you see. Now you can really check it out and see here, common updates. It give you a little bit news what they're doing right now, right? And then if you want to know what I was going over, they give you an instruction. Click here and go to the website. That's it. Technically, that's super easy, super secure. My next step actually now we're going to be transfer some Dogecoin back and forth. You can see it's super simple to do that. We have also the latest update. It's pretty simple to update the firmware. All right, you just go in the settings, firmware. If it's any firmware updated, the procedure you need to do, make sure you have a copy of the C, connected USB. Then you're ready. You're going to click enable. Then after that, this thing will automatically reset and will start automatically updating for you. Okay, so you click here, and this thing resets, and then that's it. Takes only a few minutes to come back. Should be okay. As long as you had that. My case, I already updated and everything went fine. Okay. After this point, so let's go ahead and transfer a little bit of coins right now. All right, so we are ready to start transfer to here. All right, and I did already. And if you see here, I have a balance about 3 Dogecoin. Okay, that was pretty simple. Only took a few minutes after I put the address. I went to another wallet and sent it to here, and we have it. And we see over there also. I can see that I got 3.6 now Dogecoin after it was synchronized. So it's pretty simple, right? We can even disconnect that and we can still see that there. Now, what I'm going to do in this point, and what I'm going to go and let's actually send those back now to that. Pretty simple. So we see there, we have a 3. All right. And I'm going to send. I'm going to paste right there my address, but before that we're going to sell the whole entire balance. All right, so we click right there, send it all. Okay, whatever is there. I'm going to go and copy my address for my other wallet. Okay, that's the way you're going to have to do it to send to somebody or to yourself in another wallet. Okay, we compare. It's right there. We are ready. I'm going to sell the full balance. Okay, and then we're going to click continue. You have to go through all the validations. Let's go there. Let's click OK. Let's go for it. And now we see the address. And now pay attention. We can see right below and also right there. All right. And now what we're going to do, we're looking right there. All right. What we send it out. It's a little less because of the network feed. All right. If we look in there, you need to compare and look the address that you send in. So you look, sometimes what I do, I look the first 3 and the last 3. Right, so you compare. Look at the first 3 right there and the last 3. Compared to the one at the bottom. Is that all okay? All right, make sure that's what I'm saying. Look at it in the wallet. All right. And then we're going to have to click in the bottom, continue to accept it to be able to send it out. You need 2 pieces. And allow me to do anything there. I'm going to click there. Continue. Send it. Ready. That's it. Now send it. Let's press send. And then right away, you see that's a total balance. I'm going to send it out. We compare the address is fine. All right. And we're going to send it out. Let's click send now. And that's it. Continue. And we'll be right there. And actually it took real fast. It's back into the unit there. Now it shows 3 is still, but you have to wait for network validation. Eventually, if you see now, we have 0 Dogecoin. All right, so as you see, it's super easy to set up. Okay, doesn't take much, right? I did this real time. I think it's a cool tutorial. Now you know how you receive and traffic either tokens or crypto, right? In a way to secure either cryptos or wallet offline in a nice cold wallet. And by the way, like I said in the beginning, now it's monetary grade. I'll see you next time. Bye.